You recently registered your RYOBI line trimmer online. This video will show you some important maintenance procedures to help you get the most from your product. Ideally, you should clean the vents after each use. Use a dry, clean cloth and wipe away any debris surrounding the motor vents. At some point, the line in your trimmer will need to be replaced. There are two ways to do this. Take off the spool head cover and remove the inner spool. Insert a new RYOBI replacement spool. Feed the line through the eyelet from the inside to the outside and then sit it in the groove. Replace the spool head cover and you are good to go. You may decide to reuse the old spool. Remove the spool head cover and remove the inner spool. Wrap the new line around the spool using an even and consistent motion. Make sure you keep the line tight. Insert the refilled spool, feeding the line through the eyelet from the inside to the outside, and then sit it in its groove. Replace the cover and you're ready to go. For more information about the range of RYOBI tools available, visit our website.
RYOBI, a cut above.